Every legacy starts with a decision, a moment when you stop scrolling through possibilities and start mapping direction. You know where growth is heading. You see the South not as a detour, but as a destination for clarity, structure, and control. It is no longer just a geographic move, but it is a strategic migration of mindset. At Trava, inside Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, intent turns into blueprint. 50 to 62 meters above sea level on solid, flood-free ground, Trava represents the South defined by discipline. Its foundation stands on engineering proof and urban planning precision, not marketing language. Elegant Properties present Trava as the community for builders who work with metrics and believe in consistency. Every boulevard has been drawn with a measurable purpose. Streets wide follow Greenfield's infrastructure standards. Utilities run underground to protect the skyline. Drain lines flow on a graded angles tested by decades of rainfall data. These are not promises, they are delivered systems. Within Trava, estate lots ranges from 550 to 750 square meters. Sizes chosen for airflow, orientation, and privacy. Setbacks are not restrictions. They are design buffers that maintain value through visual harmony. Order here, not imposed, it is engineered. Calax shortens the drive from Makati without borrowing its stress. SLEX connects the corridors of the commerce to a district that breathes around you. Greenfield Business District delivers a balance of enterprise and ease. Corporate offices, schools, and daily. Convenience built within the master plan so life moves in rhythm, not rush. Intent is the first proof of discipline. When you decide on Trava, you're choosing more than land. You're aligning your standards with a developer that measures credibility in decades, not press releases. Greenfield's track records of delivery turns skepticism into certainty. Maintenance is ongoing, standards do not fade, design codes stay enforced. That is why its projects retain value even when others lose momentum. At Elegant Properties, we translate that discipline into method. We don't rush buyers through beautiful shots, we walk them through measurable facts. We time site visits to show actual light movement, drainage, flow, and access patterns. We believe not that moment you see structure in motion. You stop guessing and start trusting. Because trust in real estate is not emotional, it's procedural. It is earned by numbers that add up to peace of mind. Walk the main boulevard and you will notice how everything aligns. The shadow, lengths, the spacing of trees, the absence of visual clutters. You are standing in framework where every variable has been solved for you. Intent evolves into confidence when facts replace assumption, elevation handles rain. Zoning manage movements. Guidelines preserve beauty. Here, your investment is not just protected, it is predictable. For entrepreneurs and professionals who understand that discipline creates freedom, Trava is the logical next move. It gives you a base of operation that matches your method, organized, deliberate, and future-proof. When you build here, you build within a system that supports your own. The estate is run like a well-managed enterprise, rules clear, assets protected, growth forecast steady. This is how you turn intent into legacy. Your anchor success is on land that respects logic as much as ambition. Choose Trava with Elegant Properties. Choose the address where intent becomes discipline, discipline becomes design, and design becomes a value you can stand on. The South isn't just a place on the map, it's a definition, a proof of what progress looks like when it's done with discipline. For decades, development was a northbound story, crowded, corridors, rising costs, and shrinking spaces. But today, the smart migration has already shifted south. Not by chance, but by choice. Welcome to Santa Rosa, the South's crown, an elevated city between 50 to 62 meters above sea level, standing on a stable, flood-free ground within infrastructures that arrive ahead of demand. This is where Trava stands, inside Greenfield City, with a master plan that defines southern growth long before others followed. Here, infrastructure isn't just an upgrade, it's the baseline. Calax links to SLEX through the Greenfield interchange, giving direct access to Makati, BGC, and NAIA in minutes instead of hours. Fiber connectivity is built in, roads are widened by design. Power lines are buried to protect the skyline. these are not aesthetics. They are not invisible systems that protect your value. Around you is a region designed to function as one integrated district commerce in the Greenfield Business District. Innovation at Laguna Technopark, education through De La Salle, Canlubang, and lifestyle at Soledad and Paseo. The South has quietly becoming the country's most organized growth corridor, a complete loop of life that moves in rhythm, not rush. The difference is discipline, and discipline creates trust. Look around Greenfield City, 45% of its land is kept green and open. Drainage follows on graded contours, architecture obeys setbacks that preserves light and privacy. This is how the South defines itself through discipline, design, and destiny. Luxury here is not loud. It is measured. It is decision to value clarity over chaos. Every boulevard in Trava echoes that logic, wide, symmetrical, tree-lined by standard and not by trend. The result is community that feels calm because it is mathematically balanced. When you walk through the South today, you are witnessing a generation of planning maturing into precision. This is not the future of Manila living, this is the present redefined. And within definition rises, Trava, a development that does not compete with the South, it completes it. Because Trava is the manifestation of what the South has been building towards all along, a place where order meets opulence and legacy meets logic. To the analytic mind, this is proof of concept. To the visionary, this is proof of direction. The South is defined at its definition is disciplined. You can see the structure, you can measure, and value you can own. Trava is the definition given form. The only question left is how soon you will align your standards with it. Trust is the rarest currency in real estate. It's earned, not promised, measured, not declared. Inside Trava, you can quantify trust by what you see, what you feel, and what still stands years after the launch. You see it in the roads, laid before sales open. You feel it in the air, clean, quiet, ordered, and you can see it in Greenfield City, a developer that builds first and sells second. Decades ago, when others were still concepts on paper, Greenfield was already pouring a concrete on what would become Santa Rosa's most stable ground. The same company that developed Greenfield District in Mandaluyong, now a living CBD, is the one maintaining these boulevards today. That continuity is your insurance. Each estate projects under Greenfield is run by the same management system, technical inspectors, engineering teams, and on-site maintenance crews that operate like a private city government. At Trava, that system translates into daily discipline, clean gutters after every rain, consistent lighting maintenance, and security audits that operate 24 hours a day. That's how trust is built. Through routine, not rhetoric. Walk the clubhouse lawn and observe the details. The favors align with millimeters accuracy. The glass panels use low E coating to control heat. The roof structure is solar ready by design. These are not features added to impress. They are standards enforced to endure. Look at your left, the green spine pathway running from the clubhouse to the ridge. That's a 600-meter continuity corridor engineered to channel storm water naturally into catch basins beneath the park. Even trust is engineered here, because when you stand on land that elevated, tested, and certified, you don't hope for stability. You stand on it. Investors often ask, how do we know Greenfield will stay committed after we buy? The answer is history. More than a half of century of land development, a record, 0 abandoned projects, and a portfolio that retained value above regional average CAGR year after year. From Greenfield District in Mandaluyong to Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, the company delivers projects that age into assets. That's why Trava commands confidence. It's not a marketing promise, it's a lineage of credibility. Every structure you see has a maintenance manual, a lifestyle plan, and an audit trail. This is how the trust is measured in process, not promotion. Walk down the boulevard at sunset, notice the stillness, no billboards, no visual noise, no clutter. That silence is design, and that design is discipline. For elegant properties, trust is not a word in pitch, it's a proof on site. We invite you to measure it yourself, the same way you would measure any investment by performance, by clarity, and by consistency. Because in real estate, trust isn't granted, it's verified. Trava, the address where trust has a blueprint. Legacy has an equation. Time plus discipline plus design is equals value that outlasts its creator. In Trava, that formula is visible. Measured is how each lot, each boulevard, and each regulation compounds its permanence. You start with time, the only elements you can't rebuild. Greenfield has already invested the decades of it, from Mandaluyong CBD to Santa Rosa City within a park. Time here equals proven performance. Add discipline, the constant. Every line drawn, every rule enforced, every tree preserved is discipline, translated into future equity. In Trava, order is not limitation. It's a compound interest mechanism for value. Then multiply by design. The variable that gives emotion structure, architecture with purpose creates beauty that appreciates instead of decays. That's why Trava's aesthetics will remain timeless when trends expire. The result is legacy, a return that is both financial and familiar. Stand on the ridge and look toward Galax. What you see is connectivity. What you own is the continuity. This is the South's prime equation for wealth that grows quietly. No speculation, no hype, just governed progress and predictable growth. 2018 launch price to 2025 market value proves the trend. A consistent rise from 24,000 per square meter to 45 to 55,000 per square meter, projected to reach 90,000 by 2030. That's the mathematics of discipline. By the true legacy, equation goes beyond numbers. It is the moment you walk the boulevard within your family and realize that peace is part of your ROI. The children who runs on these paths inherit more than property. They inherit standards. They learn that order creates freedom. That's how a legacy sustains itself. Greenfield system ensures this equation never breaks. Regular infrastructure upgrades, strict design review, and management that treats every lot as a long-term portfolio. For elegant properties, a legacy is forecast you can chart. We don't sell hope. We present data that turns into heritage. You measure legacy not by what you acquired, but by what endures after you. And here, every element of Trava was built to endure, from the elevation that protects it to the management that preserves it. Time, discipline, design, trust, they add up to a constant, which is Trava. Because when you solve for legacy, the answer will always be the land that outlasts the lifetime. Trava, the legacy equation. Home isn't measured in square meters, it's measured in piece per minute. After all the logic, all the proof, all the plans, the true test of design is how it makes you feel when the day slows down. Here in Trava, serenity turns into something deeply personal. The sound of wind through the trees replaces the noise of deadlines. The rhythm of the boulevard becomes the rhythm of your life. Every element you've seen, the elevation, the order, the engineering, exists for its single outcome. The calm certainty that you have arrived where you are meant to be. Step onto your porch at dusk. The air carries the faint scent of rain on clean pavement. Streetlights glow at perfect intervals. Families stroll without hurry. This isn't a scene from a brochure. It's a system performing the way it was designed. The final measure of home isn't beauty. It's balance. How the tangible and emotional coexist without conflict. The boulevard lines up with the horizon. The houses align with the breeze. Even the silence has a structure. Look beyond your gates and you'll find continuity. Neighbors who share the same discipline of living well, because the Trava was planned for people who understand that luxury is not isolation, it's harmony. Inside, material feels grounded. Stone, woods, glass, honest textures chosen not for trend, but for time. Natural light filters through the living space, tracing the same geometry that shapes the entire estate. This is what Greenfield meant when it said eco-luxury. Not the addition of the nature, but the integration of it. The science of serenity becomes the emotion of belonging. The ridge still stands at 60 meters above the plain, solid, flood-free internal, but what matters now is what it holds. The everyday lives of families who have turned a master plan into